Hi, in this video we will learn about commutative property. Let's pick two numbers a and b. Now let's perform an operation on these two numbers. Here we are doing addition operation. According to commutative property, if we change the order of the numbers and if it is producing the same result, that is, if a plus b is equal to b plus a, then we can say addition is following commutative property. In this video, you will learn that addition and multiplication, they follow commutative property, while subtraction and division, these two operations, they do not follow commutative property. Let's start with addition. Question is addition commutative for this number set? Let's pick two numbers 2 and 7. 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. Now let's change the order. 7 plus 2, that is also equal to 9. In fact, for natural and whole numbers, a plus b is always equal to b plus a. Hence, addition is commutative for natural number and for whole numbers. Okay, now let's check with integers. Minus 2 plus 7, that is equal to 5. If we change the order, that is 7 plus minus 2, that is also equal to 5. In fact, for any two integers, a plus b is always equal to b plus a. Hence, integer addition is always commutative. Let's pick two rational numbers. 5 by 2 plus minus 7 by 3. If you simplify this, that is equal to 1 by 6. If we change the order, that is minus 7 by 3 plus 5 by 2, and if you simplify this, it will give you the same result. For any two rational numbers, a plus b is always equal to b plus a. Hence, addition is commutative for rational numbers. So, I told you before that subtraction do not follow commutative property. Let's see an example. 2 minus 7, that is equal to minus 5. Now let's change the order. Let's swap the numbers 7 and 2. 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. As you can see, 2 minus 7 is not equal to 7 minus 2. A minus b is not equal to b minus a in this case. Hence, natural numbers are not commutative for subtraction. And as you know, all natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers, and all integers are rational numbers. Hence, none of this number set follows commutative property for subtraction. Okay, now let's look into multiplication. As I told you before, multiplication is commutative for number system. Let's look into few examples. 2 times 7, that is equal to 14. If we change the order, 7 times 2, that is also equal to 14. Minus 2 times 7, that is equal to minus 14. If we change the order and do the multiplication, the result is also minus 14. For fraction numbers, 5 by 2 times minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 35 by 6, and if we swap the order, that is minus 7 by 3 times 5 by 2 is also equal to minus 35 by 6. So all this number system, they are commutative for multiplication operation. Now let's look into division. Division do not follow commutative property. Let's see an example. 2 divided by 7, that is equal to 2 by 7. Let's change the order. 7 divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. You can see 2 divided by 7 is not equal to 7 divided by 2. Hence, they do not follow commutative property. In this video, we'll learn about commutative property. As you just saw, addition and multiplication operations, they follow commutative property, while subtraction and division operations, they do not follow commutative property.